In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section in Apple Notes. First, let's start by opening the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find the Notes app on your home screen. It has a yellow icon with a white notepad. Once you find it, tap to open. After the app launches, you'll see a list of your existing notes or an option to create a new one. If you're looking to add a section to an existing note, simply tap on that note to open it up. This is important because having your note open allows you to make changes right where you need them, ensuring a smooth workflow. Now that you have your note open, it's time to create your section heading. Type the text you want to use as a heading. This could be anything relevant to the note's content. For example, if your note is about planning a party, you might type guest list as your heading. This step is crucial because a clear heading helps you organize your thoughts and makes it easier for you and others to find information later on. Once you have your heading typed out, the next action is to select the heading text. To do this, simply tap and hold on the text until you see the selection handles. You can then drag these handles to highlight the entire heading. Selecting the text is important as it allows you to apply formatting changes specifically to that section, enhancing clarity and organization in your notes. Next up, tap the Format button, which looks like an uppercase and lowercase letter A next to each other. This button is usually located on the keyboard when you're typing. Once you tap it, a menu will appear with various formatting options. This action is significant because it opens up a suite of tools that can help you customize your notes to better fit your needs. From the formatting menu, choose either heading or subheading. Tap on your desired option and you'll notice that your selected text will change appearance accordingly. A heading typically stands out with larger text, while a subheading is slightly smaller. Choosing the right format here is important because it visually distinguishes sections, making your notes more readable and easier to navigate. Now that your heading is formatted, it's time to add your content below the heading. Simply tap on the line directly under your new heading and start typing your notes. This could be a list, paragraphs, or any information relevant to the heading you created. This step helps in organizing your thoughts under clear categories, which is especially useful in lengthy notes. Finally, remember that the heading you created automatically generates a collapsible section. This means you can tap the arrow next to your heading to collapse or expand the section at any time. This feature is particularly helpful for navigating long notes. It allows you to focus on specific parts without getting overwhelmed by the amount of information present. By following these steps, you now know how to effectively add a section in Apple Notes. Your notes will be clearer, more organized, and easier to navigate. Thank you for watching and happy note-taking.